Hello, everyone. Welcome to what I hope will be the first of several layout updates focused on a single industry layout called Prairie Girl Grains. This is a completely fictional industry that is supposed to be set in southwestern Ontario. What you see here is a linear diagram of the trackage associated with the Prairie Girl Grains industry. On the left-hand side, you'll see a storage yard that is connected to the CN main line. Central, you'll see a engine track area, and on the right-hand side, you see the trackage associated with the various buildings and transload facilities in the industry. So here's the actual layout. You're currently looking at the storage yard where we have a lot of boxcars, tanker cars, pellet cars, and hopper cars that will be stored for initial use when running the layout. You also see here the CN connection that will end up backing into the first four tracks of the storage yard. This particular part of the storage yard is something that will be switched out anew with each operating session so that there's rotation of cars and variety to the operating sessions themselves. Below that, you'll see four other tracks in which you can have stored cars or the opportunity to pull cars depending upon what is to be switched a given day. These two portions of the yard then feed into a single track that will pass by the primary buildings for the transload tractor trailers and the main office. And off into the corner, you'll see a engine house and tracks for two locomotives that will work the industry. As we turn the corner here, you'll start to see the buildings that are the primary workhorses of Prairie Girl Grains. It's going to go down the whole section, which is one long building for the most part against the wall. You can also see here that there is a turnaround that allows the engine to run around cars during various operating sessions. As we get close to the end of the layout, you'll see there are several tracks for receiving various goods. Furthest from us is the track that receives dry goods and boxcars. In the next closest track, there is a location for receiving grain under the shed. And finally, there are a couple of tracks that are for receiving liquid goods such as vegetable oil and corn syrup. As we move back towards the center of the building, there is a track that will receive box cars filled with pallets, boxes, and other packaging material, as well as a spot for plastic pellets to be unloaded. Here we have a transload facility where powdered goods such as flour will be unloaded for movement to other non-rail served industries. And finally, as we move to the last portion of the building, this is the shipping portion where goods will be shipped away for all points in North America. Thank you everyone for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this very brief video and overview of the Prairie Girl Grains layout. In the coming weeks and months, I hope to post more videos that will show more detail about operations, about progress in scenery, and other enjoyable aspects of model railroading. Stay tuned and please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.